Hello everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. This video is planting two of the Great Garden Plant $9 plant haul plants that I got in the video a couple days ago. Yes, I'm still planting them. Haven't gotten them all planted. This is two more of them. What have I got planted so far? I think this will be number 4, number 5 out of 11. I'm not sure, don't remember. But anyway, today I'm planting, you can see I've already got the holes dug and got the plants setting in there in their containers. But I'm planting that Dolce Wildberry Heuchera right there, and then the Empress Hosta right there. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. I got the holes dug, got my biotone starter fertilizer setting there, so I'll get that in the hole. And let's go to town. Oh. And please, may I ask you to hit the subscribe button. So let me show you. Let me get back up and show you this coralberry. You can see it's got new growth coming off of it here in its pot. All kinds of it. And I like this deep veining. And then the other side of the leaf is coralberry. Dolce Wildberry. So let's get back down here and get it in the ground. Set it up there. Put some biotone starter fertilizer. I'll probably put about a half a cup in there. So this tag, it says sun to shade. This is going to be pretty much shade. You'll get a little bit of morning sun here. 10 to 14 inches tall. Dolce Wildberry by Proven Winners. 16 to 20 inches spacing. Hardy to zones 4 to 9. Get a splash of purple in your garden. Large, scalloped, incredibly glossy leaves are a bold shade of purple. Charcoal veins accent the leaves. Dark stems hold rosy pink calyxes and white flowers. Thrives in part shade but will grow in full shade. Plant in humus-rich, well-drained soil. Trim back tattered foliage in early spring. It says it's salt tolerant, so I guess us guys here in Northeast Ohio, we could set it out by our mailboxes and the salt that the cities throw down. Pair with Ligularia, Speedwell, Veronica, hostas, ferns, hardy geranium, violets, and foam flower. You can see I've got quite a bit more space here to do some planting, and I'll probably get some more of these because I'm really liking this color. So let's get this one in the ground. Well, you're going to come out of there, little fella. There we go. And the roots look pretty good. Let's set him right here. Backfill. I need to bring some more soil here because I also took a plant out of this hole. So I'll bring some more of that leaf hummus and put over here in a bit. But for right now, there Mr. Wildberry is. Now let's get up here and do the Empress Woo. And get this dandelion out of here while I'm here. Well, maybe not. Come out of there, buddy. There we go. Now the whole may not like this spot right here. It's getting a little bit of sun in there. All right, this is part of the Proven Winter ShadowLand series of hostas. This one's called Empress Woo. It says part shade to shade. And it's my understanding that any hostas that are like blue like this or solid green, they really can't tolerate any sun. 3 to 4 foot tall. 5 to 6 feet wide. Hardy in zones 3 to 9. The largest known hosta available. This massive plant forms a gigantic upright mound of huge, thick, dark green leaves topped with pale reddish-violet flowers. It will make a fantastic statement in your shade garden. Hostas grow best in moist, well-drained, organically enriched soil and full to part shade. Clean away the dead foliage after frost to prevent insect problems. Pair with coral bells, foamy bells, bee balm, ligularia, columbine, lamina, sages, forget-me-nots, violets, and ferns. I got this one because of that size. And these are good. Well, look at that roots. Woo, big roots already. So let's get him in here. I may have to come and, because I'm planting them here under a weeping cherry tree, so I may have to keep an eye on it for the moisture, especially in the beginning. But there we have them. 2 more of the plant haul in. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll get them watered in, put a little bit more of that leaf hummus on them. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button and have a marvelous, marvelous Monday. Ciao.